Okay, this is Srivalli. Today topic is subtraction. Okay, how to solve the problem? First of all, take some examples. Okay, now I will take one example. 97 minus 61. How to solve this one? Okay, this is 1's place value. This is 10's place value. Now solve the first one. 1's place value 7. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, now take 10's place value. Okay, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. One sum is completed. Now write. Okay, now take second one. Okay, this is 1's place value. This is 10's place value. Okay, first solve is 10. So 1's place value. Take 7. 7 minus 2 also is 5. Now 10's place value is solved. Okay, 10's place value first number is 8 is there. Next 5 is there. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, 87 minus 52 is equal to 35. Next, this is 1's place value. This is 10's place value. Okay, now take first 1's place value. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, 9. Now take 9 in 10's place value. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now 93 minus 41 is equal to 52. This one is completed. Now go to next one. Okay, this is 1's, this is 10's. First subtract the 1's place value. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next you take 10's place value. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 54 minus 41 is equal to 13. Next go to next one. Next one is first value. Take 1's place value. 1's place value first you solve. Next you take 10's place value. First one 1's place value number is 9. Second one is 8. 9 minus 8 is possible? Possible. Now take 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now take 10's place value. 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, this one is completed. Okay, 49 minus 28 is equal to 21. This one is completed. Now go to next one. Okay, 1's place value, 10's place value. Okay, how to solve this one? 96 minus 42. Okay, how to solve? First you take 1's place value. For 1's place value, first number is 6 is there. Next one 2 is there. Okay, 6 less than 2 is possible? Yes, it is possible. 6 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now 1's place is completed. Now go to 10's place. 10's place now, first number is 9 is there. Second one is 4 is there. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Okay, 96 minus 42 is equal to 54. Okay, now completed subtractions. Okay, next subtractions with borrowing. Okay, how to use the borrowings in subtractions. Okay, first of all you take one example. Now first example is 6, 7, 9. 976. 976. This is 1, this is 10, this is 100 plus values. Okay, 976 minus 459. Okay, how to subtract this one? Now start. First of all, you take 1's place value 6, 9. 6, 9. 6 less than 9. Is it possible? Okay, we can. Okay, subtraction is not possible. Now go to borrowing. Okay, how to take borrowing? You take 2. Do you want to need in another person? Okay, this 10's place is there in another one. Okay, you take the borrowing in 10's place. Okay, now 7 is there. You take borrowing. How to take borrowing? Okay, please give me borrow to 10 rupees. Okay, how to give? This one give to 7 reduce 1. Now 6 is coming. 7 reduce 1. Now 6. Okay, now you take borrow. Now 10. You take 10. 10 plus 6 how? How much? This is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. Now take 16. 16 minus 9. Okay, now possible the subtraction? Yes, it is possible. Now take 16. Now take 16 fingers. Close 9. now 6 is there, is 5 is there. Okay, 6 less than 5. Okay, this subtraction is possible. Now 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. This is 1's place is completed. Now 10's place is completed. Now 9 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 5. 976 minus 459 is equal to 517. Okay, first sum is completed. Now go to second one, a second example. Okay, first one is 7 is there. 7, 8. This is 1's place value. Okay, this is 10's place value. This is 100's place value. Okay, this subtraction is not possible. Why? 7 less than 8. 8 is big one. 7 is the small one. Okay, not possible to subtraction. Now go to borrowing. Okay, how to take borrowing? You go to 10's place. Okay, ask. Okay, give me 10 rupees. Okay, please give me borrow the 10 rupees. How to give the borrow? Okay, this 9 is reduced one number. Now 8. Now take borrowing in 1's place. Now 10 plus 7, how much? 17. Now take 17 fingers plus 8 fingers. 17 minus 8, how much? 9. Okay, 1's place is completed. Now go to 10's place. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, how much? 3. 10's place also completed. Now go to 100's place. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, how much? 6. 100's place also completed. 897 minus 258. Okay, so answer is 639. Okay, this one is completed. Now go to next sum. Okay, this one also same. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100's place. Okay, now 3 less than 6. Is it possible? Okay, not possible. Now go to borrowing. Okay, now reduce 10's place one number. Okay, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Now take 10 to 1's place. Okay, 10 plus 3, how much? 13. That is a borrowing. 13 minus 6, how much? 7. Okay, 1's place is completed. Now go to 10's place. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now go to 10's place also completed. Now go to next one is 100's place. 7 minus 1, how much? 6. 793 minus 186 is equal to 607. Okay, this one is completed. Next, go to next sum. Okay, next one. This one is 712 minus 257. Okay, now this is 1's, 10's, 100's places. Okay, first solve 1's place. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. Subtraction is possible. Why? It is not possible because it is a small number. 2. 7 is a big number. It is not possible. Now take borrowing. Okay, now take borrowing. How to take? You take 10's place. Okay, 10's place 1 is there. Okay, 1 reduce 1. Now 1 minus 1, how much? 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now take 2. This one is take 10. 10 plus 2. This one also 12. 12 plus 7, how much? 5. 1's place is completed. Now take 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5 is possible. Okay, it is not possible to subtraction. Now take 0 is a small number, 5 is a big number. Okay, now take to 100's place to borrow. Okay, now reduce one number to 100. Okay, 7 minus 1, 6 is coming. Okay, now take to 100's place to one number. You carry one number. Now this place is 0 means 10. 10 means 100. This is a 100's place. This is a 10's place value means 100. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now 1 reduce. 7 reduce means 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 712 minus 257 is equal to 455. Okay, this one is completed. Now go to last one. This is 1, this is 10, this is 100 place value. Okay, 0. 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 is possible. It is not possible. Okay. Okay, next. Let's go to 10's place. Okay. 10's place. 10's place also 0 is there. Now go to 100's place. Now 100's place is 9 is there. Okay. Now reduce 1 to 100's place. 8 is coming. Okay. Now take 2. This number is 10 is coming. Okay. Now there. Now coming 10. Okay, 900. First of all, you taking 900 minus 187. Okay, first of all, you go to 0 is there. 0 is not subtracted 7. Then after 0 not subtracted in 18. 10th place is not possible. 1st place is not possible. Now taking to 100th place to borrowing. Okay, 9 is 8. Then after you take the borrowing to one number. Okay, 0 means 10. Then after you take one reduce. 9 is coming. Then after 0 is there. 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then after 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3. That is 1st place. Next, 10th place 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Next, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Okay? Okay, do the some more examples. Borrowing. Okay, subtraction with borrowing. For example, do the sums. Thank you for watching.